fridge.
You guys haven't eaten in 2 days.
Go ahead, eat some Monster controller. Eat the whole thing. I don't give a shit. Yeah, heat it up in the microwave. We won't eat it. Gosh, guys, why don't you fucking close the door all the way? Damn. Nope. It's about a week old, but it's not rotten.
Bullshit. Bullshit. Bullshit.
We don't turn this shit off. No, I'm not like turn it off.
Oh!
Dude, that's disgusting.
Oh! What?
Day old corn in water, dude? That's nasty. And you fucking ate it?
Stop.
You're hitting him in the ass with the fucking spatula. Dude, dude, I spit on that last night.
You did?
Yeah.
Why? You want to stop?
No, I'm just joking.
His dad was fucking young. He spit on the fucking food.
I know. Dude, guys, what the fuck? Going through my food and everything.
Got anything to drink?
No.
Look at the bottom. Look at the
No.
bottom.
No.
Brisk iced tea. Brisk iced tea.
No, dude. You already took like 3.
Let me get a brisk.
Aaron, no, seriously, no. It's either no. Oh, fuck!
Oh!
Put that shit down.
Fuck! The fuck? Oh, you look like I got big balls.
What did you do? Hit him in the nuts?
Absorb contact.
Did you hit him in the nuts?
Absorb contact. Hold on. Absorb contact. You guys got any cookies on this man?
No.
I don't know. I'm gonna buy cookies. Don't even buy cookies. Why not?
I don't know. That's my mom and dad. Damn. That's okay.
Don't touch man's nuts. Don't never touch man's nuts. Oh, yeah,
Dude.
you guys got cookies in the fridge. Stop! You breaking.
Why the fuck you trying to bite me? Dude, stop. Seriously, you're no brisk.
I didn't say I wanted brisk. I said I wanted cookie.
Why do you want a cookie? It's not mine.
I want a cookie.
Dude, why the fuck you got it? Dude, get the fuck off me. What the fuck are you doing?
Nice, Sharon.
Shut up, Will. Go away.
Was that a cup?
Yeah, that was fucking a glass cup.
You alright?
Why the fuck is it on the counter?
That had water in it.
Damn, there's glass everywhere. This shit hurts.
Careful.
Hey, fuck out of here.
Paul, you're not supposed to have it right there. Have it on that counter at least, not this one.
Oh fuck! I'm sorry, John.
I'm supposed to know that how?
You should already know that. This is some bullshit.
Oh fuck! Okay, I'm sorry. I'm glad I'm wearing socks.